I'm Charlotte Hall. I'm the Programme Manager for Engagement, and my background is in patient education in health charity.
I'm Molly Bridgewood. I am the events assistant, and I used to work in a cattery.
Yeah, I lead our events team, so we run a whole host of different events, whether that's from large conferences and award ceremonies to small bespoke workshops that we can help you to design, or even online WebExes.
So obviously this job is a massive step from the cattery, but better. You with the event side of things, you've got to be more organised, and that is what I love. And I love the fact that with the events you can bring so many different people together with so many different knowledge backgrounds, and we could hopefully make patients benefit from that or companies benefit from that.
Okay, so what can we do for you? If you're looking to design an event or a workshop or a session or anything where you bring in a group of people together, an external audience you've maybe not worked with before, then we can help you to design the content, come up with a methodology, and obviously to invite the speakers and all those other elements of pulling the event together.
Since I've started, the event I've enjoyed most would have been Eco, because it was just non-stop all day. And that's what I love, the rush of it and the achievement at the end, the sense of achievement at the end.
Yeah, no, that's true. Eco is one of our favourite events, actually. It happens once every quarter. It's for a whole variety of sectors, really, bringing together academia, healthcare and companies to really hear about the new exciting innovation that's going on the patch. Yeah, we do a whole variety of events. So we do online WebExes as well. We do quite a lot of online work, and obviously all of our events are marketed online. The third member of our team, actually, Phil. Have you got Phil with us?
Here he is.
We made a little model of Phil. We do a lot of design work in our events, so we're always being creative and making lots of things. But Phil isn't with us today, but he does a lot of our online marketing for our events.
Sorry, Phil.
Horrendous.